Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little different. We're gonna start with the eyes. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I'm gonna use that to basically prime my eyes. I'm taking a flat blending brush and just recarving out the brows and just blending everything in place. Now I'm taking my Fitme setting powder and we're going to set that concealer in place so we can get straight to blending. Now I'm going to go in with that orange shade from the Morphe Boss Moon palette, and we're going to blend this into a circle motion starting from our crease. Now guys, please remember, when you're blending, you have to focus on blending. Like, don't just put on the shadow and then move to the next one. That's how, when the eyebrow them, I don't even know how to explain it. That's how the eyeshadows turn out looking patchy, uneven, and just clownish. So you have to blend the shadows together. So now you're gonna see I'm gonna take the red eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend that right underneath that orange shadow. Look at how we're blending. So you have to blend it in. So when you combine both colors, that's how you have the even flow. That's how they flow into each other and not have a that looks like. You guys know the look I'm talking like you have 15 different color shadow, you just pat them on and you just leave it. You just pat on the shadow and then move to the next one and you just like new. So now I'm gonna take that deep purple and we're going to blend the outer crease and the inner crease. Wait, hold up. Have you guys subscribed? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Guys, spam the comment. Like, remember, we're learning. If you see something you like, comment. If you see something you don't like, please feel free to comment, because hey, we're doing this for fun. It's all fun and games. Now, I'm gonna take back that same LA Girl concealer. Yes, we're jumping right back in. So we're gonna take that same LA Girl concealer and we're gonna create like a half moon, like a half cut crease, but this time it's gonna be right in the center. Now I'm gonna use my finger just to pat the concealer in and just blend it into the skin. Now we're getting down to the fun part. So I'm gonna take that same gold glitter shadow and I'm going to place it right in the center of my lid. So you can see where I'm looking up a lot. I'm trying to make sure that that gold is right in line with my. So I'm trying to ensure that that gold is right in line with my pupil. And as I stated before guys, it's all about blending. So if you can see, I'm patting on that shadow, but I'm not only patting but I'm also blending at the same time. Now I'm gonna go in with that red glitter shade. It's quite close to the orange but not too far. So we're just gonna go in and we're going to blend that right towards the outer part of that cup. So we're gonna blend it on both ends. Also, how is everyone doing? I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, please stay clean, sanitize, practice your social distance, and hey, we're all gonna get over this soon. So just go with the flow, follow your government, follow your prime minister, and just protect yourself, protect your family. Now I'm gonna take what would you call this color? Like, it's not dark, but it's shimmer. Okay, let's call it dark shimmer. So we're gonna take dark shimmer and we're just gonna blend that purple into the shimmer colors. So we're just trying to make everything look uniform. So we're just blending everything together. So now we're gonna go on to the face. So enough talking, just let's finish watch the video.
숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give